In this video, I will show you how to simply lock your SIM card on your Android phone for SIM and phone security. Should in case your phone gets lost or your phone was stolen, it is very important for you to lock your SIM card so that the people that have access, so that anybody that stole your phone will not have access to your SIM card, thereby you protecting a lot of vital information on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and look for your Android Phone Master on your home screen right here. Go ahead and open up Phone Master. Then go ahead and click on select your language as the case may be. So I'm going to simply skip right here and take me to Phone Master right here. Then scroll down right here. Then go ahead and make sure you look for privacy and security. So click on privacy and security. Then under privacy and security, you have SIM lock right here. Go ahead and click on it. And then it's going to take you right here. If your phone is a dual SIM phone, select any of the SIM that you want to lock with security pin. For that, so if I'm going to lock my MTN, I'm going to select MTN and I'll go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. And it asks me to enter pin. Enter your default pin that you will always remember each time you want to remove the SIM and insert it into another one, or maybe you restart your phone or your phone switch off and you on it back, it will always ask you to enter the same pin. As a result of that, bear in mind that the pin you need to enter right here is something you will always remember each time you restart or you refresh your phone. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my pin right here. Once you enter your pin, hit on OK, and you'll be asked to confirm the pin. And then once the pin is successful, then you are good to go. With that, your SIM is fully secure, and likewise your phone is even secure. Even if your phone gets lost or someone stole your phone, they will not have access to your SIM detail, as because it will always ask them to enter PIN number for that particular SIM card. So this is another layer of security you can give to your phone after you have added a lock screen to your phone. It's that simple. If anybody crack your lock screen, they won't be able to crack your SIM, because by the time they try often and often, you only try 3 times to unlock any SIM card that is being pinned. So if you fail to enter a correct PIN number for the 3 times, the SIM will enter POC. And as a result of that, SIM will become damaged. So this is why it is always advisable that whatever PIN you want to use right here, make sure it's something you always remember. Once you are done, click on here and then enter OK, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.